In this quick video, I want to show you how to administer Chloraseptic Spray into your throat in order to get rid of a sore throat. And this is an over-the-counter medication, and I've been using it since the 1980s, and I absolutely love it in order to get rid of a sore throat. The active ingredient is phenol, but just keep in mind that you cannot use this in replacement for medical care or if you have antibiotics or something. So it's only a numbing agent. It's not going to actually get rid of bacteria or viruses or strep throat or anything. So just keep that in mind. It's just for relief. Okay, this works about the same way as if you're administering it on yourself or if you're administering it on to someone that you're caring for. It's pretty much the same thing. So what you want to do is you just want to hold it like this, and then you want to spray, and then usually it's either one side inside the mouth or the other. It's on the left or the right is where it's mostly sore. You can feel it. So the only thing you have to do is open wide and spray right where you think the pain is. So let's say it's right on my left side. I'm going to open up and I want to spray twice. 1, 2. So do 1 or 2 sprays. And what you want to do is once you spray it, you want to try to move around the Chloraseptic in your mouth with your tongue in that sore area. And you want to try to let it sit there for a good 15 seconds in order for the phenol to do the numbing effect. All right, so and I'm going to let it marinate right where my throat is. They recommend doing it 1 to 2 times. There's nothing wrong with doing it a couple more times if you need be. And I'm going to let that marinate around where it's sore. Now the directions do say that you should spit out whatever you have left. To be honest with you, your mouth is going to absorb the most of it, and there's really not a lot to spit out. And of course, if you're administering it to a loved one or someone that you're taking care of, it's the same thing. You just have them open up, and you hit in the same area and basically instruct them to do exactly what I told you to do. Now keep in mind, this is not a replacement of good medical care. So if you have strep throat or if you had a sore throat for multiple days, make sure you do seek out a doctor in order to have them help you. All right, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.